Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's PostgreSQL DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn install PostgreSQL in Ubuntu 22.04. For follow the along with this video tutorial, you need one Ubuntu server that installed with the initial server setup with the Ubuntu 22.04 guide. And after completion the first installation tutorial, your server should have the non-root user with the sudo permission and a basic firewall. So first step one is installing PostgreSQL. To install PostgreSQL, uh, first refresh your server local package index. So using the update command, we can install that. So I have one server. This is my server. I'm just logging with the DPT user. Then I move to the root user, and this is my server name. And I'm going to update the local package index. So for that I can write like that: sudo apt update. So it will search the local repository, local packages, and it will install that. So reading packages list and all packages are installed. To install PostgreSQL, first refresh your local repository and local packages. We did that. Now next is then install the Postgres package along with a contribution of packages and additional utilities. So for that I have to run the query, run the code. So this is my code. So country. So it will ask you for permission for the installing. I'm giving the capital Y for all. Yes. So after installation of this, we have a PostgreSQL role and database. By default, Postgres uses a concept called roles to handle the authentication and authorization. These are the some ways similar to a regular Unix style user and groups. So it automatically create a user Postgre and with the role. This installation procedure creates a user account called the Postgres that is associated with the default Postgres role. There is a few ways to utilize the account access Postgres. One way is the switch over the Postgres account on your server by running the following command. So after installation, we'll just use the user Postgres, and then we will just go to the Postgres prompt using some command. So Postgres is installed. Now next is we have a user Postgres automatic created by while installing the Postgres. So just after that we just change the users to Postgres. Now PSQL. So I'm in Postgres Linux Postgres SQL prompt. So if I want to see the what are the users and what are the databases I have, I can go through that. So UL, so I can get the users. So this the Postgres list also L. So I will get the list of the databases. Let me check other thing. So list of the roles, we have a Postgres roles also. So this Postgres and these are created while installing the Postgres automatically. And one more thing, I'm going to quit this. So directly if you want to go to the Postgres prompt, so you can write the PSQL. So it will directly prompt that. So in previous step I was first went through the Postgres user, then PSQL. Now I'm going through that. And next step is I'm going to secure the Postgres. I don't have any password now. So Postgres installer creates a user on your system. Okay. So default user is not protected. Okay. So first create a password for the Postgres user account by running the following command. So there is a command. So this is the command. I can let me so sudo password and then username. So there is a I'm giving the password. Select 123. Yeah, password updated successfully. And there is a other way we can do this thing. We can Postgres user. Next, switch the Postgres account, then switch the Postgres system account and create a secure strong password to Postgres administrative database user and role as the whole. So now next step is I can use the password, strong password for the PostgreSQL administrative database user and role as the follow. So this is the code we can use we can run the command. So now I'm going through that. Let me go to the Postgres user first. Okay. Now I'm running the command. This is the example command I have written. I'm going through that. So PSQL with the PSQL I can run this command, and if I am running with the Postgres user outside of the PSQL, then I have to run like this. So password I am giving the admin@123. So alter role. So now I'm going to restart the Postgres. So restart the service, apply the changes. So whatever the changes we did, apply. I'm going there. My service is started. Now let me check the status. Yeah, active and running. Now let me check the databases. Yeah, database is there. I can able to access users, roles. So first part is completed with the installation. In second part, I'll go through the creating a new database and creating a user and role. So this thing we can do that. So now let me go through that. So creating a new role. So I can run, if you are logged in with a Postgres account, then you can directly run this one. Let me log in with the Postgres account. This is my Postgres account. I'm with Postgres now. So let me run that. So instead of prefer to, so if you are not logged in with the Postgres account, then you can switch to the Postgres, then you can create the Postgres user. So I'm already in Postgres user, so no need to do that. I'm just running this one. So there is a name of the added the role, so I'm giving the role to add. Yeah, and new role has a super user. Still the new role has a super user. Just go through this. So I'm giving the yes. So new user is created. Now I'm going to create the database. So create DB. I'm going to create the database also created. So one more thing is that, so this is the command I run. If you are not logged in with the Postgres user, then you can run like this. Means you first log in with the Postgres and directly it will run the create user command. Now I am going to add a user. So opening as a Postgres format with the new role. So I am going to add this. Password for the Postgres. SQL pass not a file instantly reported. So I think Postgres not a okay. Okay, pass. So I have to go out and I have to create that. Okay, user is already created. Okay, now user is created. Let me log in with the user. So yeah, I am able to log in. Sudo well connection. Okay, that I did some mistake. Server socket Chirag does not exist. GTV. The services. Okay, I forgot to start the Postgres. So now I am able to log in with the user Postgres user Chirag, and the next part I can see the connection info. What is the connection info is there? So I am able to log in. So I'm going to the con info. So my connected with the Chirag, user Chirag, and socket name is this, port number this one. So in this video we have learned how to install the Postgres in Ubuntu 22.04, and we created the user Chirag and database also Chirag, and we connect a role, we have given that, and we connected with the database. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.